so bad. Come up with ideas on WhatsApp groups. Okay, you are left. Na ndio WhatsApp groups yeka atiri. Kwikaga kura mi andu atatu ma support nduri. Ni wehitukaio. No kawarituhira aingi.
You see what happened?
Yes.
Na to WhatsApp-inĩ nĩguo maica mathiaga. Idea yũkaga na mũndũ ũmwe.
Yes.
Akamba akalobe.
Yes.
Matanathiĩ harĩa ngurubu-inĩ.
Akalobe eto DM.
Yes. Akalobe akerang'ania. He agenda ndĩrenda gũburuti harĩa.
Yes.
Na ũke ũmenyite mbaru. Akalobe andũ tacio. Na andũ aramenya nĩ mameini.
Yes.
Agoka akaigĩrĩra.
Yes.
Magoka
no manyane kwalĩrĩirie tondũ wambaga kuona gwĩkio poster. Guys. Check out this Zunguka Africa offer. Manze. 5 days staycation Mombasa. Na ni so peke yake.
No ngĩkenda kũmenya ũndũ ũrombĩtwo ngurubu-inĩ.
Yes.
Look at the intervals.
Yes.
Ya a comment na intervals cia ndagĩka cigana.
Exactly. It is very it is not random. There is a pattern.
Hena pattern.
And a flow of thought and ideas. We are guys. Miniona aki to book a package. 25 days. Cost wanalipisha full board ni 11k per night. So that comes to tufanyia kama ikuja package yote plus SGR zinakuja 100k. So guys, I don't know, let me hear you from you guys. I think it's a very noble idea to get away from the hustle and bustle of the city life.
Akanyita mbaru.
Inaya kila tiki. Nginake akandika atiriri wikae tukaigua. I really need a break. This is the plan, guys. Tunajiandikisha wapi?
Akire kiogu heno typing.
Yes. Akawa can I bring a friend or two? Idio we na kambogi ga kuri. Pero matikiga na ine groove ni cia WhatsApp. Idio we muna kambogi ga kuri. Wikarete hau mugathie na inyuĩ rĩu sheba. Ukiara atiriri. Ungithi no kirasi ri. Katuthi Hells Gate ri. Twae na Ivasha thikũ igĩrĩ ri. Icio nĩ ngiri iyĩte mũno 10. Itonga ici ri.
Ndio itire ruo wa bia.
Ruo rwa bia. Maca endagia indo cia thitima. Ya nduka igĩrĩ nyama kĩma.
Kapitene ya resenting ri. Itongoragio nĩ mũndũ. Eno hoti no ahote. No nĩ akorwo na ngoro ya gũcaĩra rĩrĩ.
Yes.
Other members.
Wanyongwe. Meta watia.
Arĩa hatirĩrĩku.
Ti wanyongwe. Wanyonge.
Umesema wanyongwe.
Lucio nĩ wamba akandĩka tondũ nĩ mwake mobilize nĩ mwamũrĩrĩra akauga atĩrĩ, guys, before we make any decisions, I think it would be a good thing to hear from all the members. Let's have opinions first. Rĩu bogi ĩno ya Hells Gate ĩkarahũka. My thoughts are
na nĩwe kũbinga rĩ. No nginya ũbinge na reason.
Yes.
The reason very valid.
And with a formidable option. Yes. My thoughts are we avoid altogether the festive season. We can go in January when the accommodation and the fee will be cheaper. kambe karingwo nĩ mũndũ atĩrĩrĩ, come on guys, Januari tutakuwa tumelipa school fees, tutakuwa na kitu, there will be no time. Ukanyitana
agoka ndonge rĩu na argument very political.
Yes.
Akauga, I support what Maina had said. You know, we have been having very tough economical times.
Na kwero na mako very blunt. You are aware that me, I sell handbags na haziedi. Uginaki akaona rehe distraction. Kauga, before we talk about holiday, what happened to our parental agenda?
Ũcio no agũkoroga andũ hakiri. Mwambe mũndaingĩre.
Ngurubu ikũritũhagĩra. Wacoka igua rĩu ũrĩa kwanjĩtie ũndũ ũcio kiuga atĩrĩ, I think we have a majority of people agreeing that we need a holiday. So I think we can split the 100K into 3 payments.
Na kera tuliacera wa ngurubu ekĩra akaunti ya bengi.
I think for accountability purposes, we'll pay direct to Baobab Beach Resort in Kilifi. Wewe kamenya wega mangĩona mbeca ciaku me maitho.
Maya ni moru. Umauga andũ amwe nao magatuĩka wapenzi watazamaji.
Naam. Na wapenzi wafuataji wa chat. Guys, mbona muongei na naona mmesoma? Umwe kaigua nĩ atindĩkwo mũno gaikia ka emoji. Ka kidole.
Ĩrakena na thate naĩ.